Welcome to Wellness, Wise Wonderland. Today, we embark on a transformative journey through the culinary marvels of the Mediterranean diet. As we delve into its rich tapestry of flavors and health benefits, prepare to discover a path to vibrant well-being and lasting wellness. Before we immerse ourselves in practical implementation, it's crucial to understand the foundational principles of the Mediterranean diet. What is the Mediterranean diet? The Mediterranean diet isn't just a collection of foods. It's a lifestyle embraced by those seeking not only physical health, but also culinary enjoyment and cultural richness. Originating from the Mediterranean regions of Southern Europe, this diet emphasizes plant-based foods, healthy fats, and moderate consumption of protein, with a focus on fresh, seasonal ingredients. Why is it good for you? Research has consistently shown that the Mediterranean diet offers a myriad of health benefits. Its emphasis on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and olive oil provides a rich array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients play a pivotal role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and certain cancers. Uncovering the nutritional gems, let's explore some key components of the Mediterranean diet and their health-promoting properties. Olive oil, a cornerstone of this diet. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, contributing to heart health and inflammation reduction. Omega-3 fatty acids, found abundantly in fish like salmon and sardines. Omega-3s support brain function, cardiovascular health, and joint flexibility. Plant-based power. Legumes, such as chickpeas and lentils, are protein-packed and high in fiber, aiding in digestion and promoting satiety. Now that we grasp the essence of the Mediterranean diet, let's dive into practical steps to integrate its principles into our daily lives. Creating your Mediterranean meal plan. Meal planning is a cornerstone of dietary success. By structuring your meals thoughtfully, you can ensure a balanced intake of nutrients while savoring delicious flavors. Here's a sample weekly meal plan to guide you. Monday. Breakfast. Greek yogurt parfait with fresh berries and granola. Lunch. Mediterranean quinoa salad with cucumbers, tomatoes, olives, and feta cheese. Dinner. Grilled lemon herb chicken with roasted vegetables and a side of whole grain couscous. Tuesday. Breakfast. Whole grain toast with avocado mash and poached eggs. Lunch. Lentil and vegetable soup with a side of mixed greens. Dinner. Baked salmon fillet with a lemon dill sauce, accompanied by steamed broccoli and quinoa. Exploring flavorful Mediterranean recipes. Let's tantalize your taste buds with some signature Mediterranean recipes. Mediterranean chickpea salad with feta and olives. Ingredients: chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, feta cheese, kalamata olives, olive oil, lemon juice, fresh herbs. Method: combine ingredients in a bowl, drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice, toss, and garnish with herbs. Benefits: high fiber, protein, and antioxidant content, promoting digestive health and satiety. Lemon garlic roasted chicken with herbed couscous. Ingredients: chicken breasts, garlic, lemon zest, olive oil, couscous, fresh herbs, parsley, mint, cherry tomatoes. Method: marinate chicken with garlic, lemon zest, and olive oil. Roast until tender. Prepare herb couscous and serve with roasted chicken. Benefits: lean protein source, paired with whole grains and herbs for a flavorful, balanced meal. Tomato and basil bruschetta with balsamic glaze. Ingredients: baguette slices, ripe tomatoes, fresh basil, garlic, balsamic glaze. Method: toast baguette slices, top with diced tomatoes, mixed with minced garlic and basil. Drizzle with balsamic glaze. Benefits: antioxidant-rich, low-calorie appetizer or snack bursting with Italian flavors. Overcoming meal prep challenges. While meal planning is advantageous, it can also pose challenges. Time constraints, budget considerations, and culinary skills can be hurdles. However, with strategic tips such as batch cooking, utilizing versatile ingredients, and planning ahead, you can streamline your meal prep process and enjoy the benefits of nutritious, home-cooked meals. Adopting a new dietary approach comes with its share of challenges. Let's address these obstacles and discover strategies for sustainable success. Mindful eating and emotional wellness. Eating mindfully involves being present and attentive during meals, savoring each bite, and listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Incorporating mindfulness practices into your eating habits can enhance satisfaction, prevent overeating, and promote a healthy relationship with food. Additionally, understanding emotional triggers for eating can help you make conscious choices aligned with your well-being goals. Staying active and balanced. Physical activity complements a nutritious diet in promoting overall health. Aim for a combination of aerobic exercise, strength training, and flexibility exercises to support cardiovascular fitness, muscle strength, and joint mobility. Even simple activities like walking, gardening, or dancing can contribute to your daily movement goals. Remember to prioritize rest and relaxation to recharge both your body and mind. Navigating social and environmental influences. Social gatherings and external environments can influence our food choices. While it's important to enjoy social connections and occasional indulgences, maintaining balance is key. Strategies such as mindful eating in social settings, planning ahead for events, and incorporating healthier alternatives can help you stay on track without feeling deprived. As we conclude our exploration of the Mediterranean diet, remember that wellness encompasses nourishment beyond the plate. Embracing a holistic wellness journey. The Mediterranean diet isn't just about what you eat. It's about how you nourish your body, mind, and soul. By adopting a mindful approach to eating, staying physically active, and fostering emotional well-being, you're on the path to holistic wellness. Join the wellness community. Ready to embark on your Mediterranean diet journey? Subscribe to Wellness Wise Wonderland for ongoing guidance, recipes, and support. Share your experiences, questions, and successes in the comments below. Let's inspire and empower each other to embrace wellness and vitality.